Now, this is Stella, my kitchen critic. And oh, wait, even the baby is tired of plain old mashed potatoes. Now, let's dress these up. Introducing my spinach Alfredo mashed potatoes. So, the recipe starts with russet potatoes, and first you peel them, you dice them, you boil them, you mash them. Easy, right? Then we get to the sauce. Now, you know a sauce is going to be good, but it starts with a stick of butter and lots of garlic. I whisk in a secret ingredient to make this sauce super creamy, and I finish with some Parmesan cheese and stir in some spinach just to make us feel like we're eating healthy. We mix those two together and talk about holy matrimony. It can't get better than this. Oh wait, but it can. Because then I want you to top it off with a little bit more Parmesan cheese, pop it under the broiler until it comes out beautiful, bubbly, golden brown. Now that's how you make mashed potatoes. Stella, what do you think now? That's my baby.